everybody? It is the next day and we are here at the Fontana Village. We're about to go to the top of the dam and get some videos and look at the views, and then we're gonna meet up at the bottom with everybody else, or the whole Classic Honda's team and everybody else is gonna meet there. So that's how she looking this morning. Already fired her up. I'm not sure if that's a real Type S. You got an Integra over there, and some other cars on the other side over there. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the bottom. We're here at the Fontana Dam meet, at the bottom. All the cars are here. Hope you guys enjoy. It's clean. Oh, really? Ooh, this is clean. Oh, there was two down there? Yeah.
I walked right past you when you were walking back down.
But like where? Because it must have been on like the highway. What's my car doing over here? That's crazy. I know, what's it doing over here? His look better than mine though. Hard top.
Well, yesterday we had a challenge.
This is clean. Yo, this is so clean. It looks so factory fresh. Saying the inside looks so clean. Mine looks like old junk compared to this.
Like he dusted and put air in a can on it.
That's so nice.
LHT, ¿qué es eso?
Huh?
LHT, that's what you had.
Oh yeah. So yesterday.
You want to drink?
Give it to you and get your interpretation of what we've done, enjoy it.
I believe they were, but I guess they sold out.
The stories, it's like working that out.
Circulation, that's just from Civic.
This is the last one, so you know it's for me.
You have 80?
I have exactly 80 on me.